In this video, I'll show you how to download your Facebook profile data in just a few simple steps. Downloading your Facebook data allows you to get a copy of your information, including photos, videos, posts, messages, and other account activity. This can be useful if you want to keep a backup of your data. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, go to Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap on your information and permissions. After that, tap Download your information. Now select the Facebook account you want to download data from. You'll be able to choose the type of information you want, such as posts, photos, messages, or other activity. You can also select the date range, file format, and media quality. Once you choose the options you want, tap Create File. Facebook will start preparing your data, and when it's ready, you'll be able to download it from the same section. And that's it. That's how you can download your Facebook profile data. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.